Hello, in this lesson we are going to practice different viewports. So we are in 3D modeling. You can see we are in 3D modeling. Go to Home tab and then View. And single viewpoint, switch it to multiple viewpoints. And if I want to go back to single viewpoint, any tab that I select, any window that I select, it go to that window. For example, I select this one and go to single viewpoint. And now here, this is realistic. If you go to Visual Style Control, click and select Conceptual, you can see like better shade, more clear shade. Good luck.